Hey guys, Jarrett Vanderwerf, MarineMax Dallas. Today we've got a 2024 X26 Mastercraft. This boat is jet stream blue with a gunmetal flake accent. Key feature on this boat, it is 6,900 pounds dry with a 108-gallon fuel tank. So it is a really heavy boat and it produces some phenomenal waves. Let's jump inside. Awesome. So at the back of the X26, you can see we did this swim platform in the gunmetal gray to really tie all that in toward the back of the boat. This boat is going to have the stern thruster and it's going to have the flip out footrest in your rear seating here. Just a couple of really nice features. All right, as you're crawling into the boat, as you guys see, you got a nice walkway here. One feature that kind of gets overlooked on the X Series boats is, I like to call it a pizza oven. Really, it's going to keep your life jackets warm. Throw wet stuff in there, whatever it is, it'll kind of warm it up. That way if you're on a chilly day, it makes it bearable. But you just open this guy here, that's going to sit right above the engine. So anything that goes in there, like I said, is going to get a little warm from that engine heat. A great place to keep life jackets or anything that you want to be warmed up. So the interior of this X26 is going to be the stealth gray and flint gray color. This is wrapped in cool fill vinyl, so it'll stay cool in those hot summer days. One of my favorite parts on the X26 is this observer seat. It can go either way, so whether your co-captain wants to sit right next to you looking forward or flip it back as you watch the rider, super simple, super easy, a great feature on the X26. All right, as you guys can see and expect in a 26-foot surf boat, there's a lot of storage here. So you can make this either into a head or just storage. We've optioned this one for just to be storage. Great place to keep your extra boards, life jackets, tubes, whatever it might be. You've got two in-floor ski lockers, one here and one through your walkway to the bow. And then as you can see back here, you've got storage that's gonna run all the way along this gunnel. You've got a specific spot for your Mastercraft cooler and then storage as you follow up front as well. One unique thing on the X26 is your bow entrance is actually placed over to the side. That allows for you guys to come through here and not stay so close to the driver. One thing I really do want to point out on this X26 is this boat is going to be yacht certified, so you and all of your best friends can fit. We've actually gone ahead and tinted this boat. Another cool feature just to go ahead and have. And you can see there is tons of room up here. So the bow is rated for 5 people to be up here at once, and just plenty of space. As you can see, you could configure your passengers in a couple of different ways, but great spot to hang out on the X26. Thank you guys for walking through the X26 with me. Like I said, if you've got a big family, this boat is yacht certified. It is a stunning boat. My name is Jarrett Vanderwerf, MarineMax Dallas. Come check it out.